Applications with exponential equations solved using logs. So here's the original problem. How long will it take for a population of a certain country to double if its annual growth rate is 6.8%? So it's a growth rate. This is the growth rate here. Our growth factor is 1 plus that rate. P0 is the initial amount that we don't know. So P sub 0, that's what you call it, is the initial amount at time equals 0, whenever that is. T equals the number of years. So when a population doubles, it means that it goes from P0, the initial amount, to 2P0. For example, if it tripled, it would go from P0 to 3P0. So that's what you do. Here's the original function. The initial amount is P0. You want to know when it doubled to become 2P0. And then what it'll divide out is the P0. You just divide P0 on both sides. It cancels off here and cancels off there and just leaves a 2. Now at this point right here, you could solve it with a calculator method, as we've done previously. But if the problem wants an exact answer, they mean something like this: exact, no rounded off decimals. In which case, you have to go with this log method. So let's go over this first. So to isolate this t and get it down on the level of the equals, that's what you want. So you take the log base 10 of one side equal to log base 10 of the other side, since the two sides are equal. So then you write this down here. You use the power rule, that's the trick, to bring the t in the front. Then you divide. You don't work this out on the calculator yet. You divide over to the other side, both sides, by log 1.068, and you get t isolated, and here's your exact value. Then if they ask you for the decimal, then you put it in the calculator and you press enter, and you get approximately 11 years. It's actually 10.536, but they wanted it rounded off. Okay, so it'll take 11 years for the population to double. It's right here. Now the calculator solving method we've seen before. Take it from that step here, 2 equals 1.068 to the t. Put those in to the calculator. Adjust your window to see the intersection. Here's the curve. Here's the population equals 2 line, or y equals 2 line. And they intersect, second calc intersect at the same exact number as was before. So that gives you the same answer.